We're coming to you from the expo floor of the 2008 JavaOne conference. And as you can see, Java is bigger than ever before. We're about ready to show you some great demos, so let's get rolling. I'm here with David Cadelli, the Product Marketing Manager for Project Hydrazine at Sun Microsystems. David, how are you today?
Great, thanks.
Thanks for taking time to talk to us.
You're quite welcome.
Project Hydrazine, cool name. What is it?
Well, it's a platform for the creation, aggregation, personalization, and delivery of rich internet applications to the widest possible base of users.
Okay, so we're talking about rich internet applications. You know, a lot of people may think of things like, entertainment or Web 2.0 like web-based apps. Are these the kind of applications you're talking about?
Yes, exactly. All of those things. And of course, in typical Java fashion, we're doing it so that we can reach the widest base of users, which means creating it on a relatively light footprint that doesn't compromise that rich user interaction.
Okay, so do you have an example of one of these applications?
Absolutely. We could just look at one of these phones. We're actually demoing a number of phones, but this particular one shows off the sort of default carousel metaphor. You can move with some nice animation, nice colors, to basic applications such as your weather, your calendar, as well as location-based services such as finding out where I am, finding out points of interest close to me, food, services, that kind of thing.
And so the Hydrazine stack allows you on the client to create these sorts of applications.
That's right. And the interesting thing is the client supports it, but again, the client is very light. The real heavy lifting happens over on the server side, taking advantage of our great server products, things like Java Caps, Glassfish, or identity management. So you can do some really cool mashups. One great example I like is you can take advantage of the location services of the telecommunications network to know where you are, and that helps find the points of interest. But again, it's not depending on having a GPS in the device or any kind of special services. It's going after the widest possible user base, so we move all that heavy work over to the back end.
Okay, so Hydrazine is more than just a client. It's both client and server, and it uses the breadth of currently available Java technologies.
That's exactly right.
Excellent, and people can get more information about this by going to
sun.com/Hydrazine.
Excellent. David, thank you so much for your time today.
Hey, you're quite welcome, Chris.
That about does it from the expo floor of the 2008 JavaOne conference. Now it's time for me to go earn some drinking money. Ooh. Oh. Hey, thank you.